Ang ating panauhin ngayong hapon ay isang napakahusay na artista, lalo na pag siya'y nagkokontrabida. Siya'y nagbabalik GMA with one of the latest action drama series, ang Mga Batang Riles. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Desiree Del Valle.
Hello, Tito Boy!
Hello! Merry Christmas!
Tito Boy, 8 araw ha.
Anong sinabi ko nina?
8 taon.
Sinabi ko. Kasi 8 taon tayo hindi nagkita.
Yes, Tito Boy. It's been so long and it's so
been
nice
so long.
to see
Talagang may
you.
lusot pa rin yung 8 taon. 8 days to Christmas.
Yes, malapit na,
But
Tito
Merry
Boy.
Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh my God. Please, Des.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. I look at you. At ang aking naaalala at ang naalala ng sambayanan ay ang Tabing Ilog.
Yes.
Alam mo ba na magkalapit studio lamang tayo nung kayo gumagawa ng Tabing Ilog?
Yes po.
Kaya nakikita ko kayo. What do you remember? Top of mind. Ano ang iyong naalala pag pinag-uusapan ng Tabing Ilog?
You know, honestly, when we were doing Tabing Ilog back in the day, we never really thought it was work because we were all friends. So it's like every Wednesday we would go to Pagsanhan, and then magte-taping kami, pero wala, parang outing lang ng barkada. And I also remember before, since maaga yung call time namin, we would all meet. Everybody would all meet at Shell on South Superhighway. Tapos sabay-sabay kaming pupunta sa taping. And pagka napack up na yung isa, sabay-sabay kami, nag-aantayan kaming lahat. Sabay-sabay kaming umuwi.
Ang ganda naman. Kasi may kasabihan that we build some of the most beautiful friendships.
Yes.
Yung mga panahon, yung mga edad na gano'n.
Yes.
Pero ito'y katuwaan lamang. Balikan natin ang Tabing Ilog. Sino noon ang, halimbawa, pinakamaingay? Laging late.
Laging late was Patrick Garcia. Sorry, pa! Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, laging late. There was actually a time that he couldn't find the location, so he went home. Sorry.
Okay. Sino yung pinakalapitin ng girls?
It was Patrick. Pinakalapitin ng girls. Pero yung, kung gusto mo ng good conversation, it was John Lloyd.
Oh.
Tapos, syempre, ang pinaka-funny was Paolo. And Baron was all over the place.
Sinong nanligaw sa'yo? Boom, ito na may napapag-usapan lamang. Talagang nagpasintabi.
Ano po, si Paolo Contis.
Is that, talaga si Paolo?
He was also my love team.
Tama, naalala ko yun. You know, in an interview that I did with Pao dito, sinabi na doon sa time na hindi kayo...
Hindi talaga, hindi kami nag-uusap, magkaaway kami. Tapos, ang ganda nga kasi there was actually a scene that we were fighting as Corinne and Badong. So I slapped him. And sobrang, ang sakit, nagpakat siya. Sabi niya, cut kasi sobrang sakit na yung sampal. Hindi niya kinaya.
Tinutuhanan mo?
Oo, kasi magkagalit kami.